Okay, my lovelies, this is the ingredients I will be using today. I'm going to measure them out. That's 1 cup of ham, and that is Smithfield. And that's 1 cup of cheese, mixed cheese. 1 cup. And here's my xanthan gum, my 5 eggs, Celtic sea salt, baking powder. This is my 5 pepper blend, peppercorn, and I just blend that up. Coconut flour and almond flour, and I'm going to grate these 2 zucchini. Okay, this is 1 zucchini, so this is more than 1 cup. And I'm going to take a paper towel, or you can use a cheesecloth, and you can drain the excess water off this zucchini. Okay, my lovelies, and in this bowl, this is what the zucchini looks like after you squeeze all the excess water off. Okay, my lovelies, in this bowl I have almond flour, coconut flour, xanthan gum, sea salt, pepper, and baking powder. And I'm going to have a list of the measurements in the link. Okay, and this is my 9-inch pan. This sides are already buttered. And then I cut a piece of parchment paper on the bottom. 5 eggs, and I'm going to beat these well. And now I'm going to combine my beaten eggs with the melted butter, and we're going to blend all of this in. Okay, and I folded in the cheese, half of the cheese, the bacon, which is diced ham, and the zucchini. And then I'm going to put it in the bottom of the pan. Okay, my lovelies, I combined all of my ingredients together in the batter. I'm going to let this bake at 350 for 35 minutes. Okay, and this is what she looks like after 35 minutes. And I turned my oven down to 325 because my oven bakes at a higher heat. Okay, my lovelies, this is the zucchini bread. I just pulled it out of the oven. I just put some more cheese on the top and let it melt for like another 5 to 10 minutes. And this looks delicious. I can't wait for this to cool down so you can see this. This looks lovely. I did get this recipe from my Keto Kitchen. I will definitely leave the link for the recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. You guys have a lovely night. Bye-bye.